we are exploring number of factors which are responsible for air pollution in Jahangirpur. And in my earlier video, I elaborated on two factors. One is traffic related pollution, and second one is industrial pollution. Now, third very important factor again we would like to elaborate on is the burning of the solid waste or burning of the garbage. Now we see this is the Jahangirpur industrial area on the right side, and on this side this is the road side where lot of plastic is thrown. And you see this is the industrial sewage, industrial not sewage, industrial wastewater which is thrown in the, which is discharged into the drain. And secondly, the plastic is also thrown here and it is burned during night time. The plastic is burned, so you see how much impact it will cause on the human health. This is very dangerous, very toxic as far as the human health is concerned, because it contains lot of heavy metals like arsenic, cadmium, lead, mercury. This industrial waste is very dirty, very toxic and very dangerous for human health, and it is directly discharged into the drainage. Secondly, the plastic is also burned during night time. It releases volatile organic compounds. It also releases polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. It can also release HCl, hydrogen chloride, which can sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So this is industrial area is one of the place which is very dangerous as far as the human health is concerned. So the government need to take proper measures, because otherwise people will become sick, people will get so many diseases, and especially respiratory diseases. It can also affect on the human brain. It can also affect on the human psychology. So many bad effects are there which can be caused because of the industrial activities and industrial pollution, release of the industrial waste, as well as the burning of the solid waste.